Looking to get started with 3D printing but not sure where to begin? You are in the right place. Today, we are exploring the best 3D printer for beginners that make printing easy, fast, and fun. These printers are beginner-friendly, packed with smart features, and perfect for unleashing your creativity. The product links are in the description below, so check them out and let's get started with the video. Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D printer. If you are just getting started with 3D printing, this is one of the most beginner-friendly options you can get your hands on. The Adventurer 5M makes printing simple and stress-free with its one-click automatic bed leveling, which means no more fiddling with knobs or worrying about whether your first layer will stick. It gives you a smooth and consistent start every time, saving both time and frustration. Beginners will love its 12x ultra-fast printing capability thanks to its CoreXY structure with an impressive 600 mm per second travel speed and 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration. This makes it perfect not just for hobbyists, but also for those who want to quickly produce prototypes or creative projects without waiting hours. Another standout feature is its smart design. You can swap the nozzle in just 3 seconds, warm it up to 200 degrees Celsius in only 35 seconds, and enjoy a high-flow 32 cubic millimeter per second nozzle for faster, stable prints. The dual-sided PEI platform makes print removal a breeze, reducing the risk of damaging your projects. Print quality is top-notch with its dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle options ranging from 0.25 to 0.8 millimeters, giving you versatility for fine detail or faster, bulkier prints. Plus, you can monitor and control your printer remotely using the FlashMaker mobile application, which is perfect if you are multitasking. For maintenance, keeping the nozzle and platform clean ensures consistent performance, and you have access to a detailed A+ FAQ section for troubleshooting help. Overall, this 3D printer is fast, reliable, easy to use, and perfect for anyone just stepping into the exciting world of 3D printing. Creality K1 SE 3D printer. If speed and convenience are high on your priority list, the Creality K1 SE is an excellent choice for beginners who want a smooth introduction to 3D printing. It uses the same lightweight CoreXY system as its big sibling, giving you blazing speeds of up to 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration, making it 12 times faster than most standard 3D printers. What really makes this printer beginner-friendly is its one-click automatic calibration. Just tap the button and it handles leveling and Z-offset for you, eliminating the frustrating paper-based leveling process. Its flagship extruder, complete with a side spring and ball plunger, feeds filament with precision and can even handle flexible TPU without slipping. The runout sensor also alerts you if your material is about to run out, saving you from failed prints and wasted filament. The durable tri-metal nozzle and 60-watt hot end can reach 300 degrees Celsius in only 75 seconds, allowing you to print not just PLA, but also ABS and other advanced materials with confidence. The nozzle is easy to swap, which is a plus for those who want quick maintenance. Its frame is made of die-cast aluminum alloy with corner gussets and crossbeams for extra stability, minimizing vibration during high-speed prints for cleaner, sharper results. You will also appreciate its anti-vibration cooling fan and input shaping algorithm, which virtually eliminates ringing and surface defects. The printer arrives pre-assembled and pre-tuned, meaning you can go from unboxing to printing in about 3 minutes, a true plug-and-play experience. Plus, it runs on an open-source Creality operating system based on Clipper, letting you explore advanced features or customize it later as you gain experience. And with Creality Cloud, you get a huge library of ready-to-print models and remote monitoring options, perfect for new creators who want to experiment without hassle. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer. If you want to take your beginner 3D printing journey to the next level, the Adventurer 5M Pro is a fantastic choice that combines speed, precision, and user-friendly operation. This upgraded model delivers a maximum travel speed of 600 mm per second, with an acceleration of up to 20,000 mm per second squared, meaning you can go from design to finished print faster than ever. The nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, saving time with every project. What stands out about this printer is its CoreXY structure and solid all-metal frame, which provide excellent stability even at high speeds, ensuring that quality never suffers. Beginners will appreciate the multiple nozzle options 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 millimeters, allowing you to choose between ultra-fine detail or faster printing. Automatic bed leveling is handled by pressure sensing technology that measures the platform at multiple points, so there is no need for manual Z-axis calibration or print rafts. This makes setup nearly effortless and guarantees smooth, consistent first layers every time. Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 3D printer. If you are looking for stunning detail and professional quality results right from the start, the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra is a powerhouse that beginners will love. This resin printer is designed to capture every tiny detail thanks to its incredible 16K resolution, giving you smooth surfaces, sharp edges, and lifelike textures in every model you print. It features a smart resin tank heating system that keeps the resin at a perfect 30 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal fluidity and layer adhesion. This means fewer print failures, no annoying bubbles, and better consistency across all your projects. For those who like to keep an eye on their prints, the new AI camera with built-in chamber lighting allows real-time monitoring and even sends instant alerts if your build plate is empty or if a model warps. The time-lapse recording feature is a nice touch too, letting you capture and share your prints from start to finish. Beginners will appreciate the auto-leveling system. Just one click and you are ready to print with no manual adjustments. Creality K2 Plus 3D printer. Rounding out our list is the Creality K2 Plus, a truly advanced option for beginners who want to dive straight into multicolor printing and large-scale projects. This impressive printer comes with the color filament system, which can hold 4 filaments at once and dynamically mix them to create up to 16 colors in a single print. That means you can unleash your creativity with colorful designs right out of the box. Speed is another major highlight here. The K2 Plus reaches a blazing 600 millimeters per second with an astonishing 30,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, all while maintaining a fine 0.05 millimeter precision. And despite this speed, it runs quietly at just 45 decibels, so you can print without disturbing your surroundings. One of its biggest advantages for new users is the huge 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume, giving you the freedom to create big models, batch multiple parts, or experiment with large, complex designs. The aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame ensures rock-solid stability for clean, accurate results even at high speeds. The included CFS unit does more than just manage colors. It automatically switches between filaments and even keeps them sealed and dry, preventing clogs and ensuring smooth operation.